Okay, Tapas, now I'm gonna test a new scenario. We have two Android phones here, or actually this is a small tablet. So now I want to make sure that I can get messages that are sent to this phone with a SIM card delivered to this phone. So first of all, I'm going to log in here, like this. So I'm logging in with the same account on both. This gives a little problem, I think. It should be. Let's just verify that it's actually online here. So it's got a Wi-Fi. I just take a random website to see if it's online, and it should be online. It looks like it's not. Strange. It says up here, or maybe you cannot see it, but it says up here it has a Wi-Fi connection. Something. Oh yeah, it's online. Strange. Took so long. But as you can see, we are online here. Okay. So the machine is online, and I'm just trying to sign up here. Continue. Oh, and then okay, could have been a problem in the wrong password, just like this. So yes, I would like to use this as the text SMS app, and I answer no. This one should be synced. This is a brand new model, so it doesn't have any messages, or it doesn't have a SIM card, anything. But I believe that the sync process is, I don't know if you can see it, I can just do like this. It's from 2014, so right now it's got a lot of messages to sync from this one, because this one has a lot of messages on the account. I'll just go to settings and account, and you can see, if you if you can see it, it's 6.81, and my account is the same as my account over here, and this is good. Okay, so now we are synchronizing messages, I believe. For some reason we are synchronizing these two messages here. Strange again. Anyway, these three messages are from just right now, but they are old messages. Something's wrong here. I'll just do a refresh, and I hope that we can see some new messages here. I'll pause this and then return to you when it's done synchronizing messages from the server.